Hello everyone, welcome to ZMG Creators. Today we will show you how we made this antique artwork. As you can see, we have designed this artwork in the clay format. It's time to refine the edges of artwork. Our artist is refining the edges with his creative hands. Now we are putting a layer of gel coat with a brush to preserve our artwork and its finishing. As our artwork is preserved, we are going to put some chemicals on it to make a mold of it. After mold is made, we are going to extract the clay which is stick together to the mold. We are removing the dry clay from the mold. Time to make a piece from the mold, and we are going to give a golden touch of paint. You can also order your customized art pieces by contacting us.